So this is the workplace where we design networks, and this is the output window. This is the output window, and the equipment we use for designing the network are all present in this side, like wind generators, PV systems, grid, synchronous machine, and single bus bars, double bus bar with the tie breakers. All the equipments which we use in designing are present in this side. So in analysis part, we can conduct contingency, quasi-dynamic simulations, RMT, model analysis, harmonic power quality, reliability assessments, optimal power restoration, generator adequacy. So these are some analysis we can do in this software. So you are talking about, sir, distribution network. I am just importing that. So when you open this software, this window will open, and here it is some of
Yes. So, Ravi, hello Ravi.
yes,
So
sir, tell me.
what I'm looking for is something like there is a renewable energy at the customer level, like a rooftop solar or rooftop wind power.
Yes, sir.
How that customer and renewable energy affects the voltage of the grid, distribution grid.
Okay.
So there might be some problems in the voltage for distribution grid. So how these problems are there and how you visualize them, how do you address them, that kind of. Do you have any example for that?
Yes, sir. We have example for that. I'm just showing you.
Sure.
It's a 15 megawatt wind farm containing 6 wind turbines with fully rated converters and connected to 20 kV distribution network. So our model is this. Here 6 wind turbines are there, which is connected to a grid through a converter. These are the wind turbines of 2.78 MVA connected to a common junction. From there, we are using converter PCC and converting it to 20 kV and connected to grid, and then again to distribution channel. So this is one example of wind farm, how to conduct the analysis. I am showing you the power curves of wind farm. We are doing wind shear analysis on like wind turbines according to wind speed, and we will analyze different plots on wind power curves. So here we can see wind speed in x-axis. So active power and losses inside wind farm. So this is the graph for that. Red shows wind speed, active power at that converter we are using PCC. So it is active power on that, and losses inside the wind farm, wind turbine. So black is denoting that. So these are analysis we can conduct on a wind farm. These are active and reactive power graphs of wind farms. At PCC. and active power at PCC, the converter we are using in this system, and here also cost values of PCC and ratio with active power of PCC. So the PCC is a converter which we use in this network for converting and again giving to distribution channel, and for analyzing we just have to if we are conducting any of analysis, like if we want to convert harmonic analysis on this network, so I have to select harmonic and power quality, calculate harmonic power flow load. These are the some loading features. We can put nominal frequency and output frequency what we want, and harmonic order of the analysis. Network representation we can define, calculation of harmonic load flows we can do, calculate flickers, and some of the result variables we can add to this. So this is the harmonic analysis of PCC converter which we are using, and this is the harmonic current uh, on buses. This is the impedance value. It's not coming. I have to do different analysis for impedance and do only harmonic analysis now. So harmonic results are there. These are the voltage distortion at the wind farm and different buses. So these are the bar diagrams of different voltage distortion levels at different buses. So for calculating load flow analysis, we just have to click on any network. We just have to click. This will execute. You can see in output window the backend algorithms like they are how they are calculating. So our this is a generating tool network. So loadings are like PQI values and cost VIH values are there. So on only a single click, it will generate the loading of all equipments and all appliances which we have connected and designed the network. You can see different, and you can just change according to your format also, according to your requirement. Like you want to put branch flow, current power factor, tripping time, fault clearing time, or you can put in empty as user defined. You can also put. So these are the uh, values of loading, and like 92.775% loading is there on all the turbines now at running condition. So these is a load flow analysis. For viewing the detailed report of load flow, we just have to conduct select the load flow, and we want to execute the reporting part. So report is generating, the system is generating all the reports based on that, like all the voltages and all the currents through the different uh, bus bars, through the different connecting points, junctions. So all the loading parameters we can get here while analyzing and after finishing the load flow analysis. So this is a load flow analysis of all the system, all the appliances and all the lines and all the buses bar and all the equipments which we have used in designing a network. So these are some analysis we can conduct on wind turbines, and many more. I will send you a PDF detail of analysis we can do, sir, after this webinar session. Hello. Hello. I am conducting RMS simulations in this PCC converter. So this is the active power and reactive power to the converters, and positive sequence current and voltage magnitudes. Hello.
Yes, go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Any more detail you want to know, sir?
Uh, yeah, this is definitely a good example case. So, however, your wind power is like looks like it's a wind farm of a larger capacity.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
So, do you have any smaller capacity also, like wind at the customer end,
Customer end,
or at least the solar at the customer end, like rooftop solar?
rooftop solar. Sir, I have one of the file in PDF format. I will
At
send
low
you
voltage. What is the voltage level right now? Your wind generation is there.
voltage level, sir. I'm showing you.
Yeah. In your case,
Mm-hmm. This is, sir. Its power is 2.5 megawatt. Q is minus 0.6 MVR, and I is 2.194 kilo ampere.
okay. So it looks like 11 kV
Yeah, yes.
approximately.
Mm-hmm.
So you have any lower voltage? Like this example is fine. This very nicely detailed example is there.
Mm-hmm.
Do you also have any other examples where you are modeling the customer end?
For that,
Like this is like the generation is a,
yeah, yeah, yes.
yeah.
So for that, I will send you.
Like the cases where there is a power flow, the power flow is reversed. Like
Mhm.
power is coming from the customer side towards the grid.
Okay.
So such kind of cases do you have?
No, sir. Now I don't have that, but I definitely will search and send you regarding that. Anything we get.
Hmm. Yeah. If you have that kind of things, because that's also for modeling the distribution side, where the customer is no longer passive, is now active customer and
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
injecting power into the grid also.
Mm-hmm. Same of they using
So
in
also,
now the
yeah.
concept of
So do you have any features to?
yeah. Tell me, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
You tell me, sir.
Do you have any features to support some kind of demand response program kind of thing?
Demand response. For that, I have to check,
Yeah.
sir.
So what happens? Yeah. So what happens is if there is a real-time pricing,
Mm-hmm.
and then there are price sensitive customers, and then based on the changes in the pricing, the loads will change and
Mm-hmm.
how it will be there and that kind of thing. So you can check that also.
If you write to us these all things, and we will definitely get back to you on all your questions and give all your replies, sir. So please just mail us everything.
Sure, sure.
Yeah, yeah, that will be more helpful for us also, and that will more useful for you also. If we get everything in our mail, we just respond to every of your questions and give you detailed reporting on that.
Yeah. So I mean, I noticed that no, there are not many members in the uh, current webinar. So what we'll do is, can we have quick round of introductions? Can you introduce yourself, and or should I introduce myself first, or how?
Just some of the faculties were there from MNIT, Allahabad, and different colleges, but they couldn't able to join because today is holidays in North India. Valmiki Jayanti is there,
Oh,
so
okay, okay.
yeah, that's why they couldn't able to join sir today. So we called them, but they
It's
were
okay. So you are Ravi, right? You are Ravi Anand.
yeah, sir. I'm Ravi Anand from Delsoft Technologies.
So, so what do you like? Where are you located? Where is your office, and what is your what work do you do in that and all?
I'm
Brief introduction about that.
our office is in Delhi. It is in Tilak Nagar, Delhi, and this software is from Germany, and we are the channel partner and authorized dealer to India. I do presentations and training sessions, and also do sales part. Based upon my job profile is this, and I basically look
Okay.
for this software only. So
So looks like your clients would be mostly distribution companies and transmission companies in India. If you
no, no,
are
sir.
looking
We
for,
actually
of course, the education institutions and academic and research institutions is also another sector. I think.
no, no. We are doing these softwares in academic institutes only. We have provided in IIT Kanpur. We have provided in NIT Calicut, MNIT Bhopal. Now, after some of week, we are going to install this software in IIT Kharagpur. So, in academic institutions, we basically do this software, and we are the academic partners of this software in India.
But I think, see, I was a student in IIT Bombay,
Hmm.
and one of my batchmates they use Big Silent software. I think IIT Bombay also has
Yeah,
this
yeah, yeah.
software,
They
but
have
maybe
this
it might be educational version or maybe the real version.
they are using
Yeah.
now also they are
So
using
at the time I first heard about. Yes.
yes sir you tell me.
Yeah. So I'm sorry I did not introduce myself at the beginning. So I'm Pradeep Yamula. I am faculty at IIT Hyderabad.
Yes sir.
So I am in the area of power systems and smart grids and all. So I
Okay.
do research area in smart grids.
Mm-hmm.
So in that context, definitely this kind of tool will be useful for us.
Yes sir.
Uh, so uh, so in terms of like providing any software to IIT Hyderabad, how is it your this thing? What is the procedure?
We will send you quote based on educational and research version both, and you have to select which version you want, and then again we can process that. We will come and do installation and provide 2 days
Sure,
training
sure.
at your institute.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
I'm not looking for anything immediately because we are just setting up the lab here and
Okay.
that.
No
So I
problem.
might need maybe after 6 months or something like that.
Okay, sir.
So in that context, maybe I'll be in touch with you.
Mhm.
Uh,
I will send you
yeah. So
brochure and more
I
details
think
about. Yeah, tell me, sir.
yeah.
Hello.
So are you not looking for, you are only focusing on academic institutions? Why is it like that? Are you not looking for any industry people to use your software?
Industry people, one more company is there in industry. They are doing, and we are authorized for academic institutions. So that's why, sir.
Oh, okay, okay.
We are authorized to sell in only academic colleges and institutions, and they are different company because in industry the price variation is very more, and the equipment costing and everything is based upon we want if we want load flow, so we will get only load flow module, not like I'm showing you these all modules.
Yeah,
They will not give. So
yeah.
modular pricing is there in like industries, and the costing is 25% more than like. we are using or giving pricing in educational institutes. 25 times more than pricing of educational price, like that. So we just academic partners of this software, and another company is there. They are industrial partners, so they do in industry, we do in academics, colleges and institutions.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Ravi, thank you so much. Actually, it was nice. You have given very patiently, you have given a full presentation and also demo. So, how can I get the slides that you presented? Is it available?
I will mail you, sir, everything.
Just for my internal reference. It's not for any outside thing. Just for me to know all the features that are there in the
Yeah,
software. And
no problem, sir. We mail you brochure and everything detail about this software, and also detail about wind farms and PV cells, everything.
sure, sure.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
with that, any other point you want to add, or shall we conclude in a way, because it's been more than 1 hour.
Yeah, yeah, that's why I'm just. So I will mail you, and we will be in touch for more like different things which we work together. So any new things, I will get acknowledgement
Okay.
about that, and will tell you, sir, and mail you according to that only.
So, do you have any branch offices anywhere near other places?
No, sir. We are Delhi-based company only, and we work all over Pan India from here only.
No. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.